So today we're going to go ahead and learn how to do the V-stitch. So all you're going to need is some yarn and your crochet hook. And we're going to start off by making a slip knot. Okay. And then you're going to chain a multiple of 3s. So I'm going to chain 21. Now, we're only going to be doing this for a sample, but I'm going to show you how to do the V-stitch. Really simple, really easy, and all it is double crochet. So if you can double crochet and single crochet, then you'll have this down pat. So now that I went ahead and did a multiple of 3s, did 21, we're going to skip the first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to go right into that same chain, and we're going to do another double crochet. Now we're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and we're going to go into the next chain, double crochet, and you're going to chain 1, and we're going to go into the same chain and do another double crochet. Now we're going to go skip 2, 1, 2, and we're going to go into the next chain, double crochet into the next chain, chain 1, and we're going to go a double crochet into the same chain. We're going to skip 2 more, 1, 2, we're going to put a double crochet into that chain, chain 1, and a double crochet into the same chain. We're going to do another, skip 2, 1, 2, and we're going to put a double crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, double crochet into the same chain. Now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, double crochet into that chain. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to double crochet into the same chain. And you can see where the V's are already starting right here, here, and here. So now we're going to take and we're going to do on this last loop here, we're going to do a double crochet. Now we're going to turn our work. You're going to chain 2, and now we're going to be working in the V stitches. So we're not going to work in this stitch. We're not going to work in this stitch. We're going to work in the V stitch right here. And this is going to be your repeating row, which means all you're going to do is you're going to do V stitches, continue the V stitches on each row until you get it to the length that you want. So we're going to take, right here's where we're going to want to put the first double crochet. So you're going to do a double crochet into this V stitch right here, chain 1, and go back into the V stitch and another double crochet. We're going to go into the next right away. You're not going to chain any. You're just going to right away, you're going to loop that yarn over and move right over to the next V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same V-stitch. We're going to go over to the, not this one, we're going to go right into the next V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Move over to the next chain stitch, which is right here. We're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And we're going to go ahead and repeat that to the next V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And the last V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now you notice that we have one more left, and we're just going to put a double crochet right here into this loop here. You're going to do a double right here into that chain right there, double crochet, and there you go. Now you can see here the V's starting. See right here, V, 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 V. There's 2 more V's. Now we're going to continue. I'll do another round for you. We're going to turn your work, chain 2, and we're going to go right into this V-stitch right here. So we're going to do a double crochet. You're going to skip this and do a double crochet right into that next V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And we're going to move right over to the next V-stitch, which is not here. It's going to be right here. And we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. We're going to move right on over to the next V-stitch, which is right here. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And we'll move over to the next. We're going to skip and then go over to the next V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This V-stitch here, so you're going to skip and go right into the V-stitch, double crochet into that V-stitch, chain 1, double crochet. And we're going to go right into the skip 1. We're going to go right into this V-stitch right here, right there, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And then we're going to double crochet into that last chain right there. And there you go. You can see the V-stitches starting. So you're going to do this. You're going to create V-stitches all the way to the length that you want it. And if you're going to do the V-stitch, remember when you chain, it has to be a multiple of 3. So you have a V-stitch here, V-stitch here, V-stitch here, V-stitch here, V-stitch here. So you want to go ahead and double crochet, chain 1 in each of those V-stitches. I hope this helps. If you like this tutorial, please comment in the comments and I will go ahead and create more. Have a great and blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.